In a remarkable medical breakthrough, a 6-year-old girl from the United Kingdom has had her sight restored after undergoing a life-changing gene therapy. Safi Sanford was diagnosed with a rare genetic condition that would have left her completely blind by the age of 30. Children with this illness struggle to see in low light, making everyday activities nearly impossible. However, doctors at Great Ormond Street Hospital injected a healthy copy of a gene directly into her eyes. Her family says the treatment worked like magic. Safi can now safely run and play in the dark, giving the young girl her life back. A new report from Cancer Research United Kingdom reveals that cancer diagnoses have reached a record high. Currently, one person is diagnosed with the disease every 80 seconds. More than 400,000 people are now being diagnosed each year. Experts say this is largely due to a growing and aging population as well as rising obesity levels. While there is good news, such as falling death rates and more people surviving for a decade or longer, charities warn this progress could stall. The National Health Service is struggling to cope with the rising demand, and advocates are calling for urgent investments in specialist staff and faster screening programs. There is new hope for patients battling pancreatic cancer. Researchers recently presented highly promising data for 2 experimental treatments at a medical conference in San Diego. This disease accounts for about 8% of all cancer deaths in the United States, and historically, only 13% of patients live for 5 years after diagnosis. However, one of the new drugs tested in a recent clinical trial managed to double the life expectancy of patients compared to standard chemotherapy. While these drugs are not yet approved for public use, oncology experts are calling the early results truly unprecedented.